Yo! Hello everybody, it's your boy, Cudgle, and my dog really wants to... Oh, you are not a lap dog, bud. Oh my goodness! So, the new Pokemon games came out recently, and I thought it would be really cool to make one of the new starters as a custom amiibo. I held a poll in the community section of my YouTube channel to see which starter you guys would like to see first, Sobble, Scorbunny, or Grookey. And as it turns... Really? And it turns out that the winner by far was Grookey. I've always been a fan of grass-type starters, so I'd be happy to make this one. You good? You gonna be a good co-star? You gonna be well-behaved? You're acting on point? Is it good? There's a skit coming up. Before I get in... Jeez. Before I get into the sculpture, however, I wanted to tell you guys some stuff first. Firstly, I make posts on my community section, like that poll I was talking about, pretty frequently, so be sure to check back there if you want to see any polls that can decide future videos and things like that. Second, if you like comics, especially story-based comics, be sure to check out Cudgle.com. I've been working on a comic that I'm really proud of, and I'm hosting the pages there. There's a link in the description that'll take you to where the comic is hosted, as well as a summary of what the comic's about, so be sure to check it out, especially if you like sci-fi, comedic, story-based comics. I've been trying to update it once a week on Mondays, so in addition to my weekly YouTube video uploads, there's another thing you can enjoy. And lastly, if you didn't know, I take commissions over on my Etsy. The link is in the description. Just send me a message over there, we'll work something out if you want a custom amiibo, a sculpture, or something like that. Just keep in mind I don't do every commission because it's really a case-by-case basis. Speaking of Etsy, this Grookey custom amiibo will be for sale as soon as this video is up. There's only one, so once it's gone, it's gone. Alright, that's pretty much all I wanted to say before the video started. Be sure to comment down in the description what you think of the new Pokemon games or something like that, because I'd love to talk to you guys.
Hey Cudgle.
Yeah, Robert, what's up?
This video is an entire week late.
Sorry, I guess. The new Pokemon games were announced about a week ago, so I thought that I'd spend the time to make this week's upload more related to that.
I don't want to hear it. Your mother and I are very disappointed in you, mister. You need to clean up your act.
Okay. First of all, Candy Corn Plus is a dude. I think. And you guys are definitely not my parents. I think.
That doesn't matter. You are grounded, mister. No YouTube videos for a month, starting now.
Oh, man.
Actually, that's a terrible idea since we need that sweet YouTube revenue to not go homeless again. Continue with the video.
Oh, sweet. Thanks, Dad. So today's custom amiibo is Grookey, the grass-type starter of Pokemon Sword and Shield. I'll be making him in his default pose as seen here. In Super Smash Bros., when you scan him in, he's going to be a Diddy Kong. Here's the clay we'll be using for this sculpture. Aside from the base, which we'll be making later, we won't be using any paint. We're going to start with the head and the body. The head is a large oval, while the body is a little bean. We'll add a piece of clay on either side of the body for the legs. The feet have 3 claws each and will be attached to the bottoms of the clay pieces we just added to the body. The arms will be 2 little cylinders, both having half be a different color. I just indented the ends of the arms to make the little thingies. I attached the arms, then made 2 leaves to put on the top of the head. The tail was pretty simple, just being a line of clay coming out of the back. Here I put the pattern on the face, just 2 circles with a point between them. Now we gotta do the ears or else he can't hear anything, and we don't want that. Now we'll be adding a ball of clay to the face. We'll be indenting this ball to make the mouth and the nose in just a second. I did the eyes and the indenting of the mouth and nose off camera. I hope you're not mad at me. I will do my best to regain your trust. He's pretty much done at this point, but we need to clean him first. Clay can get absolutely disgusting with the little hairs and dirt that sticks to it, so I used nail polish remover on a Q-tip to clean it. While GROOKEY's in the oven, oh god, that sounds horrible. We're gonna make the base. I've got a new, better method to do so than I usually do, which is what you're about to see with your own 2 eyes right now. Instead of using clay for the base, we're gonna make it super professionally and use resin. If you're following along and would rather use clay, then please feel free, but I make so many custom amiibos that I wanted to semi-automate the process by using resin. Here I've got 2 molds, one for the gold Smash logo and one for the black bottom part of the base. We're just gonna pour in some resin and wait until it cures. Look, they're so clean and pretty. We'll be spray painting them to make them look even better. And here they are spray painted. Oh, so beautiful. The reason I completely remade the base was because I got the NFC chip for a Diddy Kong amiibo off of eBay. For those of you who don't know, the NFC chip of an amiibo is what the game actually recognizes as an amiibo. The figure is just something cool to look at. This was actually a whole lot more cost effective for me, so I will be doing this a lot in the future. It is still a Diddy Kong amiibo though, so don't worry. Once the base is finished, we can glue the baked GROOKEY onto it. The last thing we need to do is glaze it to protect the clay. And there we go guys, a GROOKEY custom amiibo. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my social media, like Twitter and Instagram. If you want a commission, then head on over to my Etsy shop, link in the description. And check out Cudgle.com for more videos and the comic I was talking about at the beginning of the video. If you like this sort of thing, then be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this one. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments, and now if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go freeze some peas. Yeah, not like pea, but like the vegetable peas, you know. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, I'm gonna be hanging out with my new mom and dad.
Wait, what? That's disgusting. I'm not your dad.
But in the intro of the video, you said that you and Candy Corn plugged.
Not only are all three of us technically completely different species, but we all also hate each other. Honestly, I don't know how anyone could be stupid enough to think we're related. But then again, you're pretty stupid.
Well, I hate you, Dad!
Don't call me that, you kinky degenerate. God, I'm so proud of that boy.